Now we're going to do a demo to see how light can interact. We're going to start off with a question. What's the difference between 2D and 3D? I'll give you guys some time to think about it or discuss. So a two-dimensional image is like a picture that you see on a piece of paper. It's completely flat. While a three-dimensional image is like an object that you see in real life, such as the chair you're sitting on or even this slinky that I'm holding. It has depth, which a picture on a piece of paper does not. Now we're going to see if light from a 2D source can somehow create a 3D image. And we're going to accomplish this through reflection, which is when light hits a surface and then bounces off in the opposite direction. If we can somehow manipulate this light and make it bounce in the directions that we want it to, we should be able to create an image that we want.
Now we're going to make holograms, which are 3D images, using this. Let's start by drawing a trapezoid. I'm going to be showing you how to draw a trapezoid step by step, so pause the video whenever I draw a new line so you can draw along with me. Using a ruler, we're first going to draw a 1 centimeter line, just like this. This is going to be the top of your trapezoid. Then you're going to find the middle of that line and make a mark that's 3.5 centimeters below that line, right here. This is going to be the start of the bottom of the trapezoid. Now you're going to use your ruler and extend this bottom line 2.5 centimeters in each direction. So now the total length is 5 centimeters. And now the bottom line of the trapezoid is finished. Last, use a straight edge to connect the ends of the lines that you've just drawn to make a complete trapezoid. Now pause the video again and carefully cut out from the plastic the trapezoid that you've just made. After carefully cutting out a trapezoid, you should now have this. Since we already measured this, you can now take a blank plastic sheet and use this trapezoid that we already made as a stencil to carefully trace and cut out the 3 other trapezoids that we need. Now that we have all 4 trapezoids, we're going to tape them together into an upside down pyramid, like this. The best way to do this is to start and take 2 and line up the small side down and line the straight edges. Take your piece of tape and just connect the 2 like that. You can keep it flat and just connect all 4 trapezoids all the way around. When you have all 4 of them taped together, connect the last 2 and tape those. And now you have your upside down pyramid. Now that you have your hologram machine, the last step is to take a smartphone and look up on YouTube 3D hologram video. Take your machine and put it in the middle of the display so that the pyramid is facing outwards. Look through the side of the pyramid and see what happens. If you can't see anything, you can try to go to a dark room, like a bathroom or somewhere you can turn off all the lights, and you might be able to see it even better.
Now, how do we explain how our hologram works? Well, the light from your phone bounces off the sides of your machine, creating a 3D image. And this is a real-life example of how light reflects. The hologram video playing on the phone is 2D, but the image projected appears to be 3D due to the reflection of light rays from the plastic sides. 4 different variations of the same image in the YouTube video are projected onto the 4 faces of the pyramid, and each side projects the image to the center, and that creates the illusion of a 3D figure in the middle of the pyramid.